Hey there, what's going on? Chris Cervantez, eHomes, coming at you with the monthly market update for the city of Covina for the month of March. I think the key word or the word of the month for Covina is strength or strong, because I'm definitely seeing some very strong indicators out there, which we'll get into right away. Right now in Covina, we have 43 homes on the market. That's definitely up from where we were last year, which is a great sign. Quite frankly, we just still don't have enough inventory to meet the demand of the buyers that are out there. And so you're probably thinking, demand? Nobody's buying homes, with these rates. And that's quite the contrary. It's quite the opposite of what we're observing out there in the streets. Because right now, we've had 25 homes sell in the last month. Of those 25 homes, the list price to sales price ratio, which tells you whatever they were listed for, whatever compared to whatever they end up selling for, that's 100%. That means that on average of those 25 home sellers, they're getting 100% of whatever they were listed for at that time. So that's a fantastic indicator, and that's something that sellers need to be aware of. If you price your home properly, you're going to get the home sold. Maybe it's not as fast as it was last year, because last year on average homes were selling, that was 28 days on average. Right now we're at 40 days. So a little bit more than 40 a month on the market, but you're getting your price. So that's just something to keep in the back of your mind. However, the median price has dropped. So year over year, I'm observing the median price has dropped about 8%, 7.9%. I also have observed a lot of more expensive homes were trading last year versus this year. So I think that's a little misleading. The median price of a home in Covina right now is $700,000. Still expensive, but nonetheless it is what it is. Going back to the inventory, right now we still need more homes on the market, because if you really pare it down to, if you're looking for a 3-bedroom or a 4-bedroom single story home in a, not on a major street, there's a lack of supply. There's not many homes on the market. And right now the absorption rate still reflects that. Last year, the amount of inventory that we had was a little bit more than 2 weeks. This year, we're at 1.7, which means that we're almost at 2 months of inventory. That means if not one more home is listed in Covina, it'll take about 2 months, actually 1 month and 3 weeks, to get everything sold. So that still is an indicator of a seller's market, believe it or not. Even with rates, Mortgage Daily News is talking about rates being at 6.2% as of today. We're still seeing multiple offers and still seeing homes fly off the market. If you have any questions about Covina, if you're a seller thinking about selling your house, call me. I'd love to give you my 2 cents. Of course, backed up by data. If you're a buyer thinking about buying here in the next 6 months, 12 months, and you're waiting for things to crash, I got bad news. It's not going to happen. Reach out. Let's talk about your situation. I'd love to talk further. Thanks so much for watching.